Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to convert AAC to MP3 file in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. If you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, just go to your Chrome browser. And having opened up your Chrome browser, then click on here to make a new tab. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar right there and type in freeconverter.com. Then click on search. Then you'll be taken to the official web page right here. Now, let's see how we can use this particular website to convert from AAC to MP3 file. So what we want to do is to simply scroll all the way down to the bottom on the site right here, and where you see MP3 converter, simply click on that. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to choose your AAC file. So I'm going to click on here. There are so many ways by which you can use to get your file. You can get your file from your device, Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. So I have the AAC audio file on my device. I will simply select from device. Then I have to make sure I head over to my media picker. Then next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on audio. And we have all the audio right here. Then here we go. So this is AAC file. So I will simply select on the file. And automatically it choose MP3. So what we need to do here is to simply click on convert. Conversion is done. Next thing you can do is to simply click on here to download the MP3. Just like so. Now you have the file as your MP3. So basically, this is how to simply convert your AAC file to MP3 file in mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you